Alright, so in this video, we're going to show you how to set up the series. First thing we're going to need to do is add a few episodes. So we're just going to click Add New Episode. And we're going to give it a title. We'll just call this one Episode 1. And description for Episode 1. And then over here, you'll notice we have series information. So what season is it? If you don't have a season, you can always say 0. But for the example, I'm going to use 1. And the episode number is 1. And then down here, we have our typical WP Smart TV information. So we can just add that in. And set a featured image. Just use that one. And you notice we don't have to put tags or anything in for these. That's because it is an episode. So we'll click publish. Okay, so now we have our first episode. So let's add a second one. Call this Episode 2, description for Episode 2. And the season, this is actually from the second season. And this is episode number 1 of the second season. And come down here, fill out your video information, just because I'm making it all up at this point. Set a featured image and click publish. Okay, so there we go. We got a couple episodes in, and that's all you need for the example. Though, of course, you're probably going to want to put as many in as you can get. Now, the most important part is that your episode numbers are sequential. Don't worry about your season. If you're not using seasons, you can just use 0, and it will automatically default to no season. So next we're going to go over to My Series, and we're going to click Add New and come up with a series title. So this is My Wonderful Series. Description for My Wonderful Series. And then under tags, we got to come up with a tag for it. So I'm just going to call this one Nature Documentary. And you'll notice that this box down here looks a little different than the other one. So about the series, is it a mini-series or does it have multiple seasons? So if you don't have any seasons, you're going to want to leave it on mini-series. That's why you put 0 in the season number and then use just the episode number. If you do have multiple seasons, you're going to want to click multiple seasons. And then you can choose the release date. And now we got to choose some episodes to be included with that series. So you see our episodes listed down here. And then we're going to need to add a cover image for the series thumbnail. Again, I'll just use that same picture. And then we're going to need to pick a genre. So I'm going to pick documentary. And that's it. So we're going to click publish. And you have now added your first series and episode to the system.